Several cash advance apps provide advances without charging traditional interest, but that doesn't always mean the advance is completely free, because optional tips, expedited transfer fees, or subscription plans may still apply. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 cash advance apps that don't charge traditional interest and what costs you should check before borrowing. The first app is Earnin. Earnin lets eligible users access part of their earned wages before payday. The app doesn't charge traditional interest on advances. Instead, it offers optional tipping, and faster transfers may include an additional fee depending on the transfer method you choose. Next is Dave. Dave provides eligible cash advances and doesn't charge interest on the money you borrow. Depending on your account and transfer speed, you may encounter optional express transfer fees or membership-related costs, so review the pricing before requesting an advance. Third is Empower. Eligible users can receive cash advances without paying traditional interest. The app may include subscription costs for certain services, and expedited funding can carry an additional charge if you choose to receive funds faster. The fourth option is Bridget. Bridget offers eligible users cash advances designed to help bridge the gap until payday. The advances themselves don't accrue traditional interest, but access to advanced features is generally tied to the app's subscription plan. The fifth app is Instacash. Instacash allows eligible users to request cash advances without traditional interest charges. Standard transfers are available, while expedited delivery may involve an optional fee depending on how quickly you want the funds. Here's the detail that matters most. No interest and no cost are not the same thing. Traditional payday loans often charge interest that increases the total amount you repay. Cash advance apps usually avoid interest, but they may earn revenue through optional subscriptions, express funding fees, or voluntary tips. Reading the fee schedule before requesting an advance helps you avoid unexpected costs. You should also borrow only what you need and repay it on time. Cash advance apps work best as short-term tools for covering temporary cash flow gaps, not as long-term borrowing solutions. If avoiding traditional interest is your priority, Earnin, Dave, Empower, Bridget, and MoneyLion Instacash are all worth comparing. The best choice depends on whether you value free standard transfers, optional fast funding, or additional budgeting features. If this comparison helped you understand the difference between interest-free advances and completely free advances, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best cash advance apps for 2026.